How to delete or disable bot from Character AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Character AI bots as well as how to delete your Character AI account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Character AI app or the website, whichever you prefer. Once you have opened it, you will get the interface like this. To delete the Character AI bot, you simply need to select the character that you want to delete by simply tapping on it. Then click on the bot's name at the top and this will open up the bot settings. After you have entered bot settings, you can simply make the bot's visibility to private by simply tapping on hide character. So no one can see the bot except you. But this is not exactly deleting. So if you want to delete it completely, we will move to our second part of our video. So deleting your character AI account will also delete your bots. And to delete your character AI account, you simply need to go back to your character AI homepage. Once you are there, you simply need to tap on three dots at the top right corner. After that, select settings and this will take you to your account settings. From there, simply scroll down to the bottom and here you will see three options. Before deleting your account, I advise you to export your data by simply tapping on Export My Data. This will export and save your data. Now, delete your account by simply tapping on Remove Account and it will ask you to confirm the action by typing in your username. Once you type your username, you can click on Remove Account and your Character AI account will be deleted. And that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.